If you want to write faster without sacrificing quality, you're in the right place. This video will show you exactly how to do that using AI in just a few minutes. Stick around until the end, because I'm going to reveal an exclusive offer for my viewers that will help you speed up your writing process even more. Let's start with a simple truth. Writing quickly can often lead to lower quality. But what if you could break that rule? What if you could use AI to help you write faster without cutting corners? The key is to use AI as your assistant, not your crutch. First, let's talk about preparation. Before you start writing, think about what you're going to say. AI works best when you give it clear instructions. When you know your topic and have an outline ready, the AI can fill in the gaps much more efficiently. This leads to quicker output without wasting time on figuring out what to write next. Now, this is where most people get stuck. They try to write everything themselves. But with the software we'll be using today, you can create drafts or get suggestions instantly. Instead of starting from a blank page, you can give the AI a prompt and it'll generate content based on your instructions. You can then tweak and edit that content instead of starting from scratch. This speeds up the process significantly. Next, use AI to help you break down complex ideas into simpler, clearer language. This software can help you structure your thoughts, making sure you stay on track with your main points. You can even ask the AI to rewrite sections of text, improving flow and readability, saving you the time you would have spent reworking sentences. A great feature to take advantage of is the software's ability to help you with research. If you're writing about a specific topic and need quick facts, references, or data, the AI can gather this for you. Instead of manually searching through articles or books, the software can provide you with relevant information quickly, allowing you to write faster and more efficiently. You can also use AI to get feedback on your writing. Once you have a draft, simply ask the AI for suggestions on improving grammar, tone, and style. You'll have a polished piece ready much faster than if you had done it all manually. The key takeaway from this video is simple. Writing faster doesn't mean sacrificing quality. By using AI strategically, you can improve your writing speed, streamline your process, and still produce high-quality content. Remember, preparation is key, clear prompts lead to better results, and using AI to help with drafts, research, and feedback saves you a lot of time. Before you go, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software we used in today's video. You'll find the link in the description below. Try it for yourself and start writing faster without losing quality today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.